How's the weather?
We are going to see potential for some thunderstorms on Wednesday, which I know it's such a big deal because there's ongoing power outages, restoration efforts, and currently trees down and probably several trees that are weakened, power lines that have been weakened from Saturday's storm. So it's something you want to pay attention to over the next couple of hours. If you can, plan ahead. We've got a slight risk for thunderstorms that includes Shelby County, but mostly just for western parts of Tennessee, western parts of Mississippi, and all of Arkansas. Our current temperatures right now, 93 degrees, and it feels like 98 because we've seen that humidity start to drive up. So higher temperatures, higher humidity, it leads to higher instability, which of course is what's driving some of those thunderstorms tomorrow to be on the severe end or risk for that severe weather. Storm Tracker 3S shows a few thunderstorms or showers ongoing, mostly out towards the Oxford area, heading into New Albany and Pontotoc right along I-22. Not expecting anything going on today, though you could still see a couple of those showers and thunderstorms popping up randomly throughout Shelby County and then into northern Mississippi, but they'll dissipate pretty quickly. And then our next chance of storms starts fairly early in the morning on Wednesday. So we have multiple rounds possible. The initial rounds of thunderstorms coming in just around 4 to 5 a.m., lasting through most of the morning and into the early afternoon hours. Here's that slight risk that we were talking about, of course, talking about southwestern parts of Tennessee, western Mississippi, and all of Arkansas again. And then we have that second round coming later in the afternoon. Both pose a wind risk for some thunderstorms. So here we are heading through the next couple of hours. Like this is what we were talking about, just a couple of those little showers and thunderstorms, not expecting much from that. They dissipate really quickly. And then here comes that initial line of thunderstorms moving in from the west, hitting Arkansas as early as about 4 to 5 a.m., hitting the Shelby County area by about 6 a.m., and they'll continue to push into Tennessee and Mississippi closer to the mid-morning hours. You can see some pretty strong storms up near Dyersburg, Jackson, and Senatobia down to Batesville. Those clear out. The earlier they clear out, the higher the potential for some stronger storms to arrive later in the afternoon. Right now looks to be, with the cloud coverage, with the storms lasting until early afternoon, the instability isn't as strong, so the second round of thunderstorms tries to push in around 8, 9 o'clock, and they die down, though that's not a guarantee. We still could see this second round really just feeding off some of the energy that's built up throughout the afternoon and moving into the rest of the area. This is what we look at when we're talking about that energy that those storms could be fueled by on Wednesday morning. It's not a lot, but there is still the chance for some stronger storms and some gusty winds. And then heading into Wednesday, because those thunderstorms last on models a little bit later into the day, you don't see as much atmospheric energy, but it doesn't mean that we still couldn't see the potential for gusty winds. And honestly, with the conditions that some of these trees may be in due to the Saturday storms, it may not take much. Rain totals not expecting a ton there. We're looking at about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. After that, we settle down. We're looking at temperatures dropping to the low 90s for the rest of the week, low humidity, but of course it drives back up. We're back into the upper 90s next week and through the first week of September.
All right, ready for things to settle down.
Yes, we are.